It's the gift-giving season, and WestPoint Home wants to thank you by celebrating Black Friday with a 40% off sale on everything in the store, all day on Friday, November 29th. That's right, 40% off everything in the store, with the exception of some items that have even bigger savings. And to make the holiday even sweeter, WestPoint Home is offering 60% off on all clearance items. Get Southern Tide throws for only $9. Chaps comforter sets for only $39 or less. Down comforters for $15 and under. Southern Tide sheet sets, $25 or less. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost of the big box stores. And a whopping 60% off all clearance items and 40% off everything in the store. Luxurious absorbent towels, silky sheets, fluffy pillows, and accessories for your home, condo, or vacation getaway. Now is your best opportunity to start your holiday shopping and give your home a holiday makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet Black Friday sale, all day on Friday, November 29th, celebrating 60% off on all clearance items and 40% off everything in the store. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120, and let the holiday savings begin.